Hello guys, it's Paniset Caseus. JavaScript is easy to learn, but maybe not for you. But no worries, I'm here to fix that for you. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language, and the JavaScript. So why learn JavaScript? If you guys want to make web applications, you must learn 3 languages. 1. HTML to create contents of web pages. 2. CSS to style HTML content. It describes how HTML elements should be displayed. 3. JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. So let's start with the tool we are going to use. We will use Visual Studio Code as our editor because it's free, it's open source, and everyone uses it. You can check out the description for the download link. Okay, let's dive in. I'm creating a file named main.js. .js means JavaScript. So if you are going to write JavaScript, you need a file named with the extension JS. Okay, so before I type any code here, the best advice I can give you guys to learn any programming language is to mess with it. Break the code. Do not afraid from it. Dissect it. You need to code to be able to code. Okay, let's start with the classics. To print some text into the terminal, we will use console.log function. In this function, you will add hello world. So, a function in JavaScript is a set of statements that performs a task or calculates a value. So, in here, console.log is our function. And within this function, we pass this text string, to be exact, as a parameter. So here you can see we will save this and run it. As you can see, it runs perfectly well. So how did I run this? You need to download an extension named CodeRunner. CodeRunner allows you to execute code. Okay. Now, let's copy this and paste it here. So let's run this. Okay, so what can we do with this function? We can, let's say that we want to make this, string down here. How do we do that? First thing you can do is to get this, do another console log, and run it. As you can see, it's now in a new line. You can also use \n, which means new line. As you can see, there is an empty space here. Why is that? Because after you type this \n, you see that there is another space here. So you need to remove this, save it, run the code. As you can see, it's fixed. So what else can you do? You can also do this. Let's say that we want to write 2 plus 2. We want to see the result of this. But as you can see, it gives an error. Because you need to add a plus sign. Let's run this code. No errors, as you can see. As you can see, result is 22. But wait, this doesn't add up to that. You need to see the result 4, as you know. Why is that? Because this plus sign in this function means to concatenate, combine string. So this string is combined with this. This is normally an integer value, but in this function it is seen as a string and it just combines those two. So what do you need to do in order to make it work? You need to remove this plus, add a comma, save it, and run the code again. And as you can see, we can see the right result. What else can you do with this? Let's say I want another parameter, like okay, let's say for equals to, so 4 equals to 2 plus 2. But yeah, I forgot to put comma. Run this code. 4 equals to 4. So as you can see, you don't need to put spaces, it does it automatically. Alright, that's it for today. I advise you to mess with this function, try to do something different, try to break it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like more content like this. Thank you for watching.